The Joint Action Committee comprising the Jaintia Hills Truck Owners Association, the Jaintia Hills Clinkers and Transporter Association and the Meghalaya Trucks Union convened a general emergency meeting on the non-implementation by the cement factories of the new price introduced by the government. The meeting saw hundreds of people in attendance. Speaking to the media after the meeting, the chairman of the JAC, Shri Nehemiah Tinkan, said that since the 7th of this month, the Joint Action Committee had begun its agitation, and on the 10th, the DC had invited the JAC for talks to call off the agitation. The Joint Action Committee has decided to continue with the agitation until their demands are met by the cement factories.
Andre, kani ka cement factory hadok na igasngiri umpuam ay gui kador koda ay sorkar. Andre, kabliam ko ay ko kikubor segi sorkar wa angko ida implement ka kani kador. Andre hadok karte ke minit umpuam implement ka.
Ngi don laiseng namantakan ni ka jingya lang jungi banyat bet banyat rinti pejba sobha banyat tray lang ya tray rangkat ini ki company cement factory kilabun ka jingya le persya bat ki tray truck namaro ka jingkit ka JAC menta ngi la thmu bet banyat bi skmat ka jingya rinti jungi banyo bet ta thong haba labu sarkar kador per metric ton mio dangka per kilometer. Kata kalong tang hapok Meghalaya ngikwa omba ke sa state Assam. Kata kalong paidba subha bania tray rangkat ya tray yerenti ombangin penkelurmar yano ino. Kajingya nanti jongi kan long by peaceful jai tang kumta kublai sibon.
Ta ula kerpat ru ban long lasai lasingi lada jia ba ka sarkar nambar ula hak ka sithi sa sarkar so commissioner secretary ba udai ban ai jubab la kaneka kan notification country syadu sya Asam ne country tangham Meghalaya ne nakata dur la kaneka kine ki cement factory ki deban boot ya kan notification syadu sya lada audio na po Meghalaya country kam syadu sya Asam lane sya barjala ne kumno hadu menta ngimpat yo ya ka jubab nau commissioner lane ka jingtho nau DC ba ya ka jingjubab jong commissioner secretary